Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance. You know me as the van guy. We're here in Windy City today holding the mic stand from falling over. We're gonna have fun today. Hey, help me celebrate my 40th anniversary with the company by coming out and buying an RV from me. Today we've got a 2021 Coachmen Beyond all-wheel drive. Of course, the C stands for the couch, which is in the back, and that's where we're going to start today. Hit the button, it folds down into twin beds, and of course you can always fill in the center to make a nice sized queen bed. We're going to move forward on the passenger side where it's got the side mounted table that swings out of the way, gives plenty of room for two people to share it. A little seat up there where your feet would go if the bed's made out. The couch is down. Moving into the kitchen with solid surface countertops, recessed under sink, nice big tall faucet, induction cooktop. It's going to save you a lot of time cooking, and it heats up really fast, and it's the best way to go. A little spice rack up above, and above the faucet it's got a paper towel holder, which is really nice. Got plenty of drawers. They're all self-closing, and they have a positive latch. They've got a nice drawer big enough for a garbage can to go into. All your upper cabinets are all lit. Going by the entry door, on the right hand side facing it, you've got a great screen. Turns all the lights on and off, extends the awning, has your tank capacities. It's got multi-levels to check everything that you'd want. It's really in a nice position for anybody to see. Got your battery disconnect switch, so when you want to leave you just hit store, it shuts it off. Then you have your solar control panel. Now you have a solar on or off. I don't know why you'd want to have it off, but that's available to you. Troomer combi heat, Xantrex for your inverter. You have a Wi-Fi switch, so if you're in a place you can get Wi-Fi, you can turn that on to help you out. It has got a fresh tank heat and a gray tank heat, so if you get cold areas, you can turn those on to make sure you don't freeze anything up. And the last switch is your propane tank to turn it on and off. Then just above the driver's cab, it's got a nice overhead storage area. On the new Ford chassis, both seats swivel. This one is all-wheel drive. The floor has hush mat in it. A hush mat's going to make the ride so much quieter. It's got extra insulation in the floor as well as the ceiling. The shower toilet area is all seamless. You got one little seam where the sink fits in the corner. Other than that, it is going to reduce your maintenance down the road and not have a concern that you have a leak. Moving to the rear section, you've got the really nice compressor refrigerator on top, freezer on bottom, with a microwave up above that. And then just going above the microwave where there's a little vent, you also have a fantastic fan, also with a roof air conditioner. And then directly behind your compressor refrigerator, you have your TV entertainment center along with your power switch to raise and lower your bed. The rear doors in the back open up. There is storage underneath the couch, and there is privacy screen and a bug screen from the rear. Thanks for your time today. I really appreciate it. And if I don't get blown over, you'll be able to come out and see me. Give me a call, 541-554-9581. Good day.